This is the earth oven site right here. I built this with my own two hands with a little bit of help from some interns. Here's the poles for the earth oven structure, and this structure goes about it's about 14 feet high right there in most places, and it gradually goes down over here, and it starts off at about 12 feet and it goes down to that central pole there, down 2 feet. So it's 12 feet to 10 feet, and then gradually incrementing down 2 inches. So we have 11 feet 10 inches to 9 feet 10 inches, and so on and so forth. And you go down. These poles go down about 2 feet into the ground. I dug them with post hole diggers. And this is the earth oven base right here. I dry laid the rocks, and they're all pretty solid. And then I put I'm starting to put a coat of earth plaster on, actually not earth plaster, cob, on the on top of the rocks, and that's going to solidify it, bring it all together, and and it is going to be very solid, and it's about 5 feet in diameter. So yeah, it's the total earth oven. It's going to have a minimum interior space of it's going to have a minimum interior space of about 18 inches in diameter at the base. It's going to be big enough to hold pretty big pizzas. And we're going to do about, it's going to be fully insulated with bottles and an earth plaster mixed with sawdust, and that's a really good insulator. And the stone base is also a very good insulator. And it when it's completed and we heat it up, it'll probably go up to 700-800 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll be able to cook a pizza in there in about 90 seconds. At least that's what the book says, and the book that that we're learning from. And when I say we, it's me and Deanne here at the Straw Bale Studio in Oxford, Michigan. That book is by Kiko Denzer. It's called Earth Oven, or How to Build Your Own Earth Oven by Kiko Denzer. Very, very good book. Very, lots of detail in it. This is my cat, Sophia. She helps out in her own little way. Say hello, Sophia. Psst, psst, psst. Kitty. She's gonna try and bite me. Try and bite me? Good girl. She's a good kitty cat. Anyway, let me just I'll finish this up and show you on the interior right here. Very, very smooth looking. It has a very nice curve to it. And if anybody has any ideas, they can post them or send them to me. My email is samrunner1@gmail.com. You can find that on the website, which is earthoven.pbworks.com. And we're looking for roofing materials. We were thinking about rubber tires as roofing materials. I'm not sure how strong the roof will, or how much weight the roof will be able to support. But what I want is the water to come down and end up right here, and then go off into a cistern down there. So then we're with the wall over here that's behind the. We're actually planning on doing sticks like this all the way around, and then we're going to do wattle and daub, which is basically taking cob and just making a solid coat. And then we were going to do like We were gonna do like a bench or like a little table or shelf coming out for people to sit down and eat, so they can eat around the earth oven. And that's about all I have right now, and it's a work in progress. This has taken me probably a total of about 2.5 weeks to complete this job site as is, and that's just off and on. This right here is a pile of clay earth, and I mix clay with that. Over here is actually a much purer form of clay right there, and I dug that from a very deep pit. It was about like 6 feet down. Very nice, very pure clay. And this is the tarp that we mixed the cob in. Right here. Good little tarp. Helps. And the water that we add to mix the cob. And cob is basically clay-rich soil mixed with straw. I screen the soil. I try to screen it and have it at 1/4 inch. I put it through a 1/4 inch screen. And here's our little bonfire over here. And everybody sits around. We have potlucks here at the Straw Bale Studio here in Oxford, Michigan. And it's a great place to come learn. We have workshops going here, and you can look it up. The website for the Straw Bale Studio is strawbale.pbworks.com. I encourage everybody to check out the website. Lots of interesting stuff, a lot of great links. Deanne is a fantastic teacher, and I'm learning to teach a little bit myself. My name is Sam Runner. Here I am, and everybody have a good day. Over and out.